serve community one more time. Look at that. Don't she look good tonight? Look at her. Always. That's what she does.
Virgin Foundation, feed Houston homeless every Sunday we out here. Blessings to our city.
Folks, it's the Virgin Foundation pal. Happy moments. JB Promotions. We out here in Houston, Texas. One more time, serving our community. I've been doing it since December. I won't stop until I die, until I leave this planet. So many amazing people. Look at my boy right here. He coming through. Where you at? Hey, what's that? What's up? What? How you been? Boy, looking good. That boy rich. Look at this boy. Guys, come out here and help us. This is the Virgin Foundation. This is my amazing team. Look at that pap out here looking good.
Y'all let you way out here.
Y'all dressing up, doing the big. So, guys, come out here and contribute your time. Much love. What's going on, brother? You wanna know why I'm blessed? Because I do this. That's why I'm blessed, baby. I do this for a living. So you won't get out your bed and come out here in this hot sun. So what? Soak it up, baby. This is vitamin D. I need to get a little blacker, you know what I'm saying? That? Foundation, the happy moments. We are thanking God for another wonderful day that we get the ability to support people that need us. These are our brothers and sisters. And you know what? Instead of spending my time out there in the church, I'm bringing the church out here to the community so I can help other people. What are you doing? You're sitting there, you're watching me, you're watching us do this every week. Get your butt up. Come out here and serve other people. One thing I've learned in life, the reason why I'm blessed, because I'm constantly a blessing to other people's lives. I said it one more time. The reason why I am blessed, because I'm constantly being a blessing to other people's lives, guys. I invite you to do the same. Much love. Later. A lot of people ask a lot of questions about what I do and how I got here. Well, this is the basis and the principles, and this is the reason why I'm the man I am today. And I inspire you to do the same thing. Feed people, help people, sow a seed. Much love.
PAP Virgin Foundation every Sunday helping Houston homeless. It's a blessing.
Much love. Later.
Thank you, McDonald's.
We should do the gift with passion.
That's McDonald's.
Thank you, Ronald.